Despite a deepened energy crisis in Europe, oil prices have fallen again, moving steadily towards $95 per barrel. This is due to the news that Germany, Europe's largest economy, has allegedly already filled its energy storage facilities necessary for the upcoming heating season. Although it sounds pretty strange, no one has yet cast doubt on this statement or criticized it. This is why oil is losing value. However, as soon as the details about energy reserves in Europe are out, bullish sentiment may well seep back into the market. Last week, Brent crude oil futures bounced off the psychological level of $100 per barrel, and this led to a gradual increase in the volume of short positions. As a result, the asset lost about 3%. If the price fixes below 96, the benchmark will most likely extend losses. And in this case, sellers will have a chance of dragging the price down to the area of 95 and 93. As for gold, things have barely unchanged. The yellow metal has tried to gain upside momentum and rise above $1,800 per 3 ounce. For now, it continues to trade around $1,790 per 3 ounce. In fact, the asset is still moving in a range limited by the levels of $1,780 and $1,800. And this can be attributed to uncertainty surrounding the pace of interest rate hikes by the US Federal Reserve. Thus, gold will most likely remain range-bound until the Fed provides more clarity on its further monetary policy. Given that the next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee will take place only in late September, the situation will hardly change before the end of August. The Russian currency also remains stable. The Bank of Russia and the Ministry of Finance have not yet taken any steps to ease the measures introduced in response to Western sanctions. Interest rate cuts are clearly not enough to weaken the ruble, which is too strong for current realities. If the situation does not change in the near future, the dollar-ruble pair may soon drop below 60 rubles per dollar. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.